When I saw Decentralized Masters promising Wall Street's ABN system and native market access, I wanted to dive in to see if it was a scam. So I verified everything: the founder's credentials, the system, and the results, and here's what I found. And please do remember, folks, that I am not a financial advisor and these videos are never financial advice. You always must do your own research before investing and never invest anything more than you can afford to lose. Let's get into it. All right, folks, so I want to start off by talking about the legitimacy of these two, the founders, okay? Tangera, the gentleman that you just saw on the right there, folks, he is a verifiable Wall Street background, real CFA charter holder, okay? He was an investment banker, and that can all be fact-checked, okay? They were featured in Forbes, NASDAQ, okay, USA Today, and Business Insider, okay? So these things you cannot fake, okay? And also what you've got to see here is on Trustpilot here, 495 reviews at a 4.8 rating. Look at this, guys, and pretty much all of them up here at a 5-star, okay? You can go ahead. I've already read through many of these myself, but I highly encourage you, because it's normal, folks, to have doubts about crypto projects, anything to do with finance, because let's face it, there are so many scams out there in the space. So you don't need to feel weird about, doing that due diligence and everything like that. All of the writing is on the wall, guys. Read through here, okay? We've got verified reviewers here, all here, okay? You can see it. Highly recommended. And what I really like as well is Decentralized Masters have actually taken the time to respond to many of these different ones here too. So it's a system that works, folks, for people just like you watching out there. And also, if you want to see people actually give these real life reviews, you've got the Member Success Hub, which I think is extremely good, where you've got all these different success stories. I've actually gone ahead and read a few. You got to remember, folks, this is a real company. There's 4,000 plus members. There's $4 billion plus combined of net worth in here. Now, in terms of the ABN system specifically, folks, it's real and proven, okay? This is Ray Dalio's proven strategy, okay? There's a native market that does exist, all right? You can check the on-chain data for all of this. And the Phase B yields are verifiable through DeFi protocols. That's the benefit of when you use cryptocurrency. All of the data and information can all be verified publicly on the blockchain. Then in terms of what really makes it different, what makes it stand out, okay? They're not just selling signals or picks, all right? It's a complete comprehensive education and mentorship program. So it's not just buy a coin, hope for the best, or buy a project, hope for the best, and then you're left on your own, not knowing what to do or when to sell. You got to understand there's 35 plus full-time analysts, okay? There's not one guru just trying to make this happen for you, all right? It's personal, okay? You got one-on-one mentorship for every single member on board. And probably the best part, there's actually a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy. And you got to realize, folks, Tangera called Bitcoin at 15K. There's public record of that. Members sharing real portfolio screenshots, there's media coverage from legitimate sources, and it's transparent about risks and requirements. And there's an active community that you can actually go ahead and verify that I did show you before. Decentralized Masters, folks, is more than just a course. It's a complete mastermind. No fake get-rich-quick schemes here, okay? You got to work, and the results will follow using that ABN system, all right? It does require that work. The company registration is publicly verifiable, and there's direct access to support before joining the whole way through. So folks, if you're skeptical like I was, that's healthy. But once you see the credentials, the results, and the verified track record, Decentralized Masters speaks for itself. Check the links below, read the reviews, and decide if this is the system you've been waiting for. And if you do want to get in contact with the links, guys, they will be at the top of the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, turn notifications on, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.